100 Balance Active Balance BMS wiring tutorial. Prepare a multimeter, battery pad, electrical tape, cables, output lines, and BMS. There are 4 steps to install BMS. First, weld the cable. Connect the first cable black wire to the negative terminal of the battery. Connect the second cable blue wire to the positive terminal of the first string of batteries. Then connect the third cable to the positive terminal of the second string of batteries, and so on. Connect each string of batteries in turn. Then connect the separate BTA wire to the last positive terminal of the battery. Note that if it is a dual serial connection, do not short-circuit the excess cables and wrap them separately with electrical tape. Second, after the cable is connected, do not insert the cable plug directly into the BMS. Measure the voltage between the first and second pins of the cable, approximately single-string nominal voltage, and then measure the voltage between the second and third pins, approximately single-string nominal voltage, and so on. Make sure the cable is welded correctly before proceeding to the next step. Third, welding output line. Weld the B connection wire blue thick wire to the battery negative pole. Then wrap one end of the P connection wire black thick wire with electrical tape. Screw the P positive electrode connecting wire black thick wire and B negative electrode connecting wire blue thick wire to the corresponding B negative electrode and P negative electrode nuts on the BMS. Fourth, after confirming that the cable welding is correct and the output cable is connected, insert the cable plug into the BMS. The status indicator light lights up, indicating that the BMS had been activated. Confirm whether the voltage before the board and the voltage behind the board are consistent. After checking that the voltages are consistent, insert the accessories: temperature control, standard configuration, power panel, Bluetooth, GPS, display, customized communication interface that come with the product into the corresponding socket on the BMS. Finally, it can be charged and discharged. The charging current is positive and the discharging current is negative, which proves that the BMS is working normally.